Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Badoo account. So first of all, you'll have to note that you can do this process on both your PC and your mobile device. But to do in your mobile device, you need to download the app and sign into your account. And once you've done that, open the app. Then go to your profile. After that, on the top left corner of the screen, you can see the settings option. Tap on it. Then tap on account. And now, since I haven't confirmed my email, I cannot delete my account. But if you have confirmed your email, the delete account option will appear on the bottom side of the screen. So you'll have to tap on it and then your account will be successfully deleted. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.